Hello guys, today I will show you how you can manually add the Pinterest tag to your Shopify store and also firing the necessary events in order for your tag to appear installed and healthy. So for this tutorial I will use the Pinterest tag helper extension from Chrome to see if we installed our Pinterest tag and also fire the necessary events correctly. So without further ado, I will go to my Pinterest account. I will click Ads, Conversions. I will see my Pinterest tag over here. I will click this three dots icon and configure base code. I will manually choose to add the tag code to website, and I will copy this code. Now I will go to my Shopify store. I will edit my theme code. And I'm interested in the theme.liquid file because here is the location where we put our Pinterest tag right inside the head tag. So I'll put it right here. I can see my Pinterest tag here, and I could also choose to configure my customer email here. So I'll put the double quotes and the liquid tags over here, and I will type customer .email. I will save it. I will go to my store homepage. I'll refresh it, and I could see that I installed my Pinterest tag. So the initial event was sent successfully. Now we need to add the event code. So we will go to install the event code. We'll click continue, and we will see a list of event codes here. So which events are we interested in? We will see right here that we have these three event codes here: page visit, add to cart, and checkout. These event codes need to be added in order for our tag to appear healthy. So we will start with the page visit one. Here with the page visit, we will copy this, and I will choose to copy this event in the product template liquid file, because this represents the product page, and this is where I could find my my product ID, because I have to make sure that I'm including my product ID in this event. So I will copy the code. I will go to my product template, and right above the schema I will copy it. Now I will save it. I will go to one of my products, and I will see that the page visit event was sent successfully. Now I would also need to add the product ID here, so I will click all option, product ID. I could copy this one and overwrite what I have here. So I will do this. For the product ID, I will use the liquid tags and add product.id. I will save it. I will go back to my product. I will refresh it, and the page event has now the product ID, which is this one, but the product category is missing. We could also add this one as well. So product category, we will copy this one here with the comma as well. Add it here. No, not here, but here. So product category, we will use the product. We will use the product dot type for this. So click save, go back, refresh. So I think we have an error. That's because we haven't added these the double quotes. So adding this as well will help us. Save it, go back. Yes, the page visit event now has the product ID and also the product category. Next up is the add to cart event with the product ID. So add to cart, see all options. We need a product ID also, and let's add the product category because I think it will also complain about the product category missing. So copy this. We will go back here and paste it. We will do the same thing here with the product ID and the category. So we will copy these line items that we configured here and override it here. We will save it. Go back. Pinterest tag add to cart event was sent successfully. Now we only need to fire this event only when we press the add to cart button. So this doesn't have any value here. So we could actually make a function for that, a JavaScript function. So function add to cart. Copy this this whole code here inside the function. We could also indent it to look a little bit prettier. Save this one. Now I will use this function in my add to cart button, which is over here. So I will say on click equals add to cart. This is how I call the function inside my on click event. So this button, it's this one. So you need to locate for yourself where is your add to cart button. So after clicking save, I will refresh the product page. I will see that I have 2 events. And after I click the add to cart button, I will see that now I have the 3rd event, which is add to cart. And I will send this with my product ID, with my product category, but I forgot to set these properties, the value, the currency, and we don't actually need the order quantity. So let's change this. We can remove the order quantity. For value, we will use the following: product.price with the divided by filter and divided by 100. For the currency, we will use cart.currency and dot ISO code. Save it. So the asset is saved. We will refresh it. We will add to cart and see right now what we have. So we have euros, this one, and 5051. So this is correct. Now let's do the checkout event. So we will go back to our store. We will go back into the settings, checkout. In the checkout setting, we will have an additional scripts field, and I already added a script, a modified script of this one here in this article that I will link below. I basically modified this script over here, this one. I basically added a line items array that populates it from the checkout with the product ID and the product category, the properties that we need. And for some reason I can't show you in my development store because this is a development one. I can show you that this works. So if you have a I don't know if this is a development store issue or is just my store that has an issue with this. But if you have a paid store and you can test this, then I would recommend testing it to see if it works. And I will let this code pasted in a paste bin right below the video. So yeah, that's about it. This I will end with this checkout additional script. If you want me to make another tutorial, comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, and I will see you in the next one.